Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to Vuology with JK. In this video, I'll share some tips and tricks you used for your midterm and final term. So watch carefully. Tip 1. Post in MDBs for all courses on LMS. Minimum twice before exams. Maximum as many times as possible. And tip 2. Attempt assessment for all courses where readability is compulsory. Aim for 80% marks. Tip 3. Don't miss any activities, quizzes, GDBs, or assignments. If you missed an assignment, generate a ticket, share your assignment solution with the instructor, and they'll consider it while generating results. Tip 4. Reading handouts is ideal, but if you're short on time, focus on recent quiz files, 3 and 4, along with previous files, recent papers shared on random groups, and the final term file. Avoid rushing into extra resources. Best of luck!